Hi guys, I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to be showing you a DIY nail growth serum that works insanely well to grow your nails long, strong, and healthy. Also, I want to take a second to thank you guys so much for just loving my website, booking sessions with me, one-on-one video calls, and buying my ebook, which means the world to me. I'm so happy you guys like it. For those of you who don't know, my ebook has a bunch of beauty hacks and secrets, things that I don't share on my YouTube channel, and the links are down below. Now let's jump right into this video. Alright, so for this DIY nail growth serum, you're only going to be needing 3 ingredients, but you want to make sure you watch to the end because I'm also going to show you methods with one of those 3 ingredients that you need to do for it to work properly. So, the first ingredient is lemon. For this nail growth serum, you're going to be needing the juice of half of a lemon. Lemons have high amounts of vitamin C and antioxidants that actually help facilitate nail growth. They're also great for removing the yellowness found in natural nails. Once you've successfully squeezed the juice out of half of a lemon, it's time for the second ingredient, which is olive oil. Pure organic olive oil. I'll link the one I use down below. And you're going to want to add about 2 tablespoons of this into the mixture. Olive oil is a great nourishment and has high amounts of vitamin E, which help with blood circulation, moisturizing the nails, cuticles, in return helping the nails grow long and strong. Now last but definitely not least is garlic. I talk all about garlic in my ebook, but for this nail growth serum, garlic has a special mineral called selenium, which actually helps the nail grow, as well as antioxidants and properties that help with brittleness. So you just want to smash it, peel it, and then we're going to chop it up. Now, a quick hack is smashing the garlic clove a second time. I heard that it distributes the minerals and properties better. It may be a tall tale, but I feel like it really works. Then you want to just chop it up into super fine pieces before adding it to the nail growth serum. Once you add it to the nail growth serum, you're going to want to stir it and let it sit for at least an hour before we go on to the next step. So this step is a huge hack, and you want to take a little piece of that garlic clove and really rub it into your nails. As you can see, I do have a shellac nail color, so it does block off my natural nail, but it still works great to get into the cuticle, the nail, underneath the nail, and just really let those properties of the garlic soak in and help your nails grow and strengthen. So you want to do this with each one of your nail, front, back, in between, cuticle, and then we're going to go on to the next step. It's time for the nail growth soak. So we're going to place our fingers into this nail growth serum and time it for 10 minutes each hand. This is what's going to make your nails grow rapidly and strengthen. You want to do this every single day for 1 week, or make sure you get at least 7 times in where you're soaking your nails for 10 minutes. You can make more of the mixture and use both hands at the same time. I just feel like it wastes the product, so I like to do one hand at a time. Another huge hack is to stir your nails around in this mixture and then rub it into your fingers. Now it's time to rinse, and you want to do a really good job rinsing it off because you don't want your hands smelling like that growth serum all day. So I like to use a nice foaming light hand wash that's not harsh on the skin but still smells amazing. So I'm just going to really take my time to rinse the product off. You really just want to dry off your nails and hands and you're good to go. You guys are going to see the most amazing results. I'm so excited for you guys to try this and really take the time to do it the way that I explained it. And remember, you can ask me any questions in the comments below, and also don't forget to thumbs up this video for more DIY beauty hacks. That is what shows me that you guys like it, by thumbsing it up. Also, subscribe and turn your notifications on so you never miss a video from me. I love you all so much. I can't wait for you to try it and tell me down below how it works for you. One last thing, if you haven't bought my ebook already, it is listed down below. It's only $10, and you can also have the option on my site to buy a one-on-one video call from me. I will personally call you like a FaceTime, and we can talk about anything that you want, anything you need help with, advice, beauty secrets, and all that stuff. Anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you soon for a new video. Mwah.